Kia ora, year 10. I'm just going to go over a bit of this algebraic proof notation. There's some people who was very confused about what this notation meant. We're going to do a lesson in about, when you get back from school holidays on this set theory. So don't worry, I'll put a whole bunch on them. But remember I talked about different sets of numbers. N is the natural numbers. N typically should be written with an extra line down it. I can't manage to get the computer to do that. But N is the numbers, the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This is etc. That's just whole numbers. In other words, if you put a whole number into 4x plus 5, would you come out with an even or an odd number? So I put number 6 into this, I'd get 4 times 6 is 24 plus 5, 29. It's odd. If I put in number 10, 4 times 10, 40 plus 5, it's odd. Okay, we want to show that no matter what x is, this is going to be an odd number. This symbol here was confusing a lot of people as well. That symbol, E like this, means is an element of. It's in that set of numbers. So x is in the set of counting numbers. It's in the set of whole numbers. So in essence, it means x is a whole number. If that's the truth, which we've been told, we know that whatever 4x plus 5 is, it's going to be a whole number as well. Because you've times it by a number, then add it. So in essence, we need to show it's odd. If you want to show it's odd, you need to show that it can be written as 2 times a number plus 1, where n is a whole number as well. Okay, that's the goal. So you start with your 4x plus 5. And your goal is to write it like this, 4n plus 1. So 2n plus 1. So write this as something that can have 2 factorized out of it and a plus 1, because you want the plus 1. So factorize your 2x plus 2, and you're left with plus 1. So the advantage here, you've got 2 times a number plus 1. So therefore, 4x plus 5 is odd. And you might want to write as it can be written in the form 2n plus 1, where n is this, if you wanted to. Right, that's the first example I did in class on the notes for Monday. I'll do the second, another few examples to help you out in following videos. But for now, hopefully that clarified a lot about the notation and in essence your big goal of what to do. If you're trying to show an even number, you're trying to show it's 2 times n. Okay, so there's an odd number, that's an even number, where you've just basically said a big goal, factorize out some number n. We can go 2 times something plus 1 if it's odd, or 2 times something, no plus 1 if it's even. All right. Have a wonderful day. I hope you guys are able to be in the sun and have a break. Don't just do work all day, but do look after yourselves and do keep up your mathematics.